got a bite. Look at the color. Remove the wings. Crispy fried squid. The water is a bit. The water is a bit calm. The water is calm, and it's looking marvelous today. It's Sunday, so every Sunday the water is calm. So the first technique that I think is very effective is you cast your line. That's if you don't see any squid around. So you want to get them to see the jig first. If they are not around, then you cast. You do this first technique. So you cast it out. Give it a little, like give it 5 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 seconds, and then you wind. Just you already got a bite. Yeah. Oh, oh yes, you will. Yeah. First technique. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next technique, you cast it out, let it sink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it twitch. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Then you fine. Hey, that's a big long tail, long something. That's a big long tongue cruising inside this soil right over there. Hey, if I ever spear, I'll spear it there. Good. Wait, I have a wire. I put my jig on wire. Let's see if we can try catch it up. Ah! Ah. I spooked him away. It's okay. We don't need you. You useless piece of shit. Maybe we should change this jig. I have another one here. But I like this color. Yeah, I have another one here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a pink one. But I like this one. I like the colors of this one. Wait, where is it? Yeah. See it? I give it another 10 casts then. To change it to another jig. Mm, mm. Sandflies are everywhere. Come on, Squiddy, Squiddy, Squiddy. Come on, Squiddy, 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 Squiddy. Go. I should wear my long sleeves. What an idiot. Okay, I think we're gonna move spots. Maybe I should stand here. Hey, maybe we good ya no gat selbst gut ist maybe. Good that time na selbst go. All this time I thought the phone was recording it. Bastard, stupid, idiot. But anyways, guys, we got a squid. Two squid, two big squid. Finally. My oil cook it. Look at the colors, man. Isn't that marvelous? Nice. There are so many kids washing along this beach. I'm gonna take it to the house and you guys take a good look at it. So yeah, let's go. Marvelous. Before we go to the kitchen and cook up the squid, I'm gonna show you guys a little update on the seedlings I've been planting. I did a video about it too. I'll put the link in the description below. So here's the rambutan. All of them are growing nicely. And on the side, the mangoes. Mangoes are growing as well. These are the what sour shop and the guava. This one died and this one dead. And these are the garlic. I also found another garlic and I put it into the bag. So now we have two. And other seedlings I planted there, all of them die. This I put what? The rambutans, all of them dead. On the other side is the lemon, all of them dead. Don't you guys worry. I already collected some lemon seeds and I will put them in the sun, dry it, and then I'll replace it with the ones that are died or dead. Welcome to the kitchen. So here's the squid we caught, the big ones. How do you like me now? We're gonna only cook one. Leave this for later. Let's clean it and cook it. Come here. Remove the wings. Wings or fin? Or it's like a wings. Remove the head. You just put your finger like this to the floater and pull it out. Let's clean the head first. These things are blocking the view. So remove the ink. That's the ink. Leave it here. Later we'll throw it outside. Just split it in the middle and then remove the eye. Okay. Now we slice it into rings. One. We slice it, then we'll wash it again because there's still some particles in the. Hmm. This knife is too small. Hmm. Split it in the middle like this. And this one, it's too big, so you split it in the middle. We're gonna do a crispy fried squid. Okay, we add some flour, not too many, but just enough. Add some water. Then you just add the flowers into. Now we add the squids into the flour. Then you spin it around. With some more oil. Why? Because we're gonna deep fry it. Now we let it to get hot. H-O-T. Very dangerous. You bastard! Crispy fried squid. Delicious. I think it's ready. This is the what? Result. Okay? You do a on a taste test. See less. I'll do the taste test. Oh, I'm gonna put the salt. I'll go and get the salt.
Đó. Sorry. Okay. Được. Biết con.
It's a bit chewy, but it's okay. What do you think? Well guys, that's all from me, and if you like this video, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe.